Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 37. Integrate 1 plus x over x cubed dx. So we're going to integrate this 1 plus x over x cubed dx. Now this is equals to the integral of 1 plus x divided by x cubed dx. Now this is equal to integral of 1 plus x multiplied by, now divided by 1 by x cubed simply means multiply by 1 over x cubed, and 1 over x cubed is equals to x raised to the power of minus 3. So multiply by x raised to the power of minus 3 dx. So this is equals to integral of x raised to the power of minus 3, that's 1 times x raised to the power of minus 3, then plus, then x raised to the power of minus 3 times x will give us x raised to the power of minus 2 dx. Now when we integrate this is equals to, this will give us x minus 3 plus 1 all over minus 3 plus 1, then plus x minus 2 plus 1 all over minus 2 plus 1, then plus k, introducing the constants. So now from here we'll have minus 3 plus 1 will give us minus 2. So we have x minus 2 over minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus x raised to the power of minus 2 plus 1 will give us x raised to the power of minus 1 all over minus 1 plus k. So this is equals to minus, this will give us minus 1 all over 2x squared minus 1 all over x, then plus k, minus 1 over 2x squared minus 1 over x plus k. And looking at this, that is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.